McQuay's bike was stolen Sunday from the North Avenue MARTA station along West Peachtree. A few of us follow a Facebook page, Atlanta Stolen Bicycles, and his mother had posted on that page that his bike was stolen. So we started actually within the department getting together with Starter Bikes, a student group on campus, to build him a brand new one. The media covered the story. We were inundated with phone calls and emails from the community just looking for ways to help. We had plans to go and pick up a bike this weekend for him, take him down to a bike shop, but somebody had donated a bicycle and had it delivered to the police department. So we put that together for him yesterday and had it presented here today. It's awesome that the community can come together and support one of our students. The Excel program on campus has meant a lot to the police department over the years, but it's just great that we can all come together, be positive, and do this for one of our students.
Thank you.